What is up mga ka-tech shop? So for today's video, I have here a Samsung J7 Pro for LCD replacement. If you're interested in this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you have questions, you can put it on the comment section. Let's go! So we'll be replacing a new LCD for this Samsung J7 Pro. This will be the second time I'll be replacing this LCD because the first time I replaced it, I made a mistake, and I informed the customer that I made a mistake when replacing this LCD. The display is working still, however there's a garbage display, just a small garbage display on the screen. I informed the customer about it and gave him or her a discount, so we both agreed with that deal. However, once she got the phone, the touch is also not working properly, so we both agreed to just replace it with a new LCD. So she paid for the first LCD, and then since I made a mistake, um, it's gonna be me who will pay for the second LCD because of course I made a mistake. So here we'll be cleaning up the edges of Samsung J7 Pro, and then we'll test the new LCD. It's brand new, and then glue the LCD and wait for an hour, and then that's it. It should be easy to replace, but I just made a mistake on the first attempt. I tried to align the LCD to the frame, and then I did not realize that the glue is already solid, and when I tried to align it, I heard some like I felt like I peeled inside of the phone. So I think that's the flex cable of the LCD, and that's the cause of the touch issue. So anyway, should be easy. I just made a mistake, but that's a lesson learned. Alright, so don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you're interested in this kind of video, also check the link on the description. I put all the tools that I've been using on my repairs, so you might want to check it. Alright, let's go. Oh yan, cellphone na gata eh.
Yan, ito na. Ano, dahil yan.
Ba, nakabantay ka, nakita na.
May pito, ano dyan.
Ay, lagi mo gawas!
Ano, yung
Hoy!
hinapak.
May para din, lagi masyad yan.
Pero ano, continue mo kayo, ito-ito. Hindi pa huwag yung 3 minutes.
Oo, nana mo na.
Aga. Stage 03 naman lang tayo.
Tagak na na eh.
Tagak mo na yung ano.
Hindi maram ka doon, tagak na. Hindi na nakapas.